Hello students, now we are going to learn example 1.6. Okay, let x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and y set is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and relation R. The set of ordered pairs is given 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. So that R is a function and find its domain, codomain and range. We already learned domain, codomain, range. Okay. First one. So that R is a function. So that R is a function. So first we make a arrow diagram. The picture representation is very important for this R is a function or not. Okay. First we make a arrow diagram. So x set is draw and then y set is draw. What is x set is given 1, 2, 3, 4. So write the elements in the x set. And then y set is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and write the y set also. So see the relation R. What is set of ordered pair is given 1, 2. So 1 to 2 the relation. So connected or mapping to the 1 to 2 and 2, 4. So 2 to 4, 3, 6 and 4, 8. Okay. So this is a function or not. All elements in x, listen carefully, all elements in x have only one image in y. See, 1 is mapping to the 2, 4 is mapping to 4, 3 is mapping to 6, 4 to mapping to 2. So in all elements in x have only one image in y. This is called images. This is called image. Y set is called images. So the only one image in y. So R is a function. R is a function. Already we learned in y set the 10 is not mapping to the x. So don't care about that the not mapping. Okay. Next one. Find its domain. Find its domain. What is domain? In our sum, what is the x set is given 1, 2, 3, 4. What is y set is given 2, 4, 6, 8. The first x set is called domain. X set is called domain. Don't forget boys. The x set is called domain 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one. What is codomain? The y set is called codomain. Very simple thing. Domain means x set. The first set is called domain. Next one. What is codomain? The second set. The y is called codomain. Okay. So domain is 1, 2, 3, 4. X set is. And then codomain y is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Next one. What is range? What is range? What is range of f? Simple thing. What are the elements are mapping to x to y? What are the elements are mapping to x to y? எந்தெந்த எலமெண்ட்லாம் எக்ஸில் இருந்து மேப்பிங் ஆகிருக்கோ அந்த நம்பர்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் தட் இஸ் கால்ட் ரேஞ்ச். இன் சிம்ப்ளி இன் எ செட் ஆஃப் ஆர்டர்டு பேர் தி செகண்ட் நம்பர்ஸ் ஆர் கால்ட் range. Okay, in set of ordered pair the second numbers are called range. So 2, 4, 6, 8 it's called range. Or what are numbers are mapping to the x to y? So 2, 4, 6, 8 only the four numbers only mapping to the x to y. So these are called range. 2, 4, 6, 8 only the range of f. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Hello students. Now example 1.7. Okay. A relation f is defined by f of x is equal to x squared minus 2. One formula is given to you. Listen carefully. In the last sum x set and y set is already given and relation also given. But in this sum the formula is given to you. A relation f is defined by f of x is equal to x squared minus 2. Okay, where x belongs to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3. So in the element எல்லாமே x ல இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். Okay, இந்த element எல்லாமே x குறியதுன்னு அர்த்தம். First one, list the elements of f. First find the list elements of f. List the elements of f means form a set of ordered pair. Form a set of ordered pair. Very simple thing. So what the formula is given? F of x equal to x squared minus 2. Okay. What is x is given? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3. Now replacing the x, the first one minus 2. So in the x எடுத்துட்டு அந்த x க்கு பதிலா minus 2 substitute பண்ணுவோம். Replacing the x to minus 2. See the first one minus 2. F of minus 2 is equal to x means minus 2 the whole square minus 2. Minus 2 whole square means minus 2 into minus 2. So 4. Minus into plus ஆயிரும்ப்பா. So 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 2 the answer is 2. So minus 2 the output is 2. So minus 2 comma 2. Input is minus 2. Output is 2. So the set of ordered bits minus 2 comma 2. Second one. X second number is minus 1. Okay. So now f of minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 the whole squared minus 1. Minus 1 whole squared means 1 minus 2 because 1 minus 2 means minus 1, the bigger number having minus symbol. So put the minus 1. The input minus 1 and output also minus 1. So minus 1 comma minus 1. Third one f of 0. So 0 the whole squared minus 2. 0 squared means 0. So 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So input 0, output minus 2. The last number is 3. The 3 the whole squared minus 2. 3 squared means 9 minus 2 7. So input 3, output 7. So 3 comma 7. These ordered pair are called list the elements of f. These elements are called lists. Okay. So f is equal to put the set bracket minus 2 comma 2 minus 1 comma 1 0 comma minus 2 3 comma 7 the close set bracket curly bracket. Okay. This is the first question answer. Okay. Next one is f is a function. See, this formula is a function or not. They ask is f is a function. இது இந்த f of xங்கிற ஃபார்முலா வந்து ஃபங்க்ஷனில் வருமா வராதான்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. வெரி சிம்பிள், நீ பார்த்தே சொல்லிடலாம். See, each element in the domain of f has a unique image. ஸோ இந்த f of இந்த xக்கு ஒரு இமேஜ் ஒரு நம்பரை இன்புட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு ஒரு யூனிக் அவுட்புட் நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. ஓகே, ஒரு இன்புட் ஒரு நம்பரை இன்புட் பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு ஒரு யூனிக் அவுட்புட் கிடைக்கிறதுனால திஸ் இஸ் ஆல்சோ an function, is also a function. Okay, so each element in the domain of f has a unique image. Each element in the domain of a f has a unique image, therefore f is a function. Okay, இதில் xக்கு ஒரு நம்பரை கொடுத்து அந்த ஃபார்முலா சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணோம்னா we get the unique image. minus 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 3 7. So this is each element in the domain of f has unique image, therefore f is a function. Now we move to example 1.8. If x set is minus 5 1 3 4 and y set is a b c, then which of the following relations or functions from x to y, xலேருந்து yக்கு is ரிலேஷனாக இருக்குமா அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. which are the following relations? Okay, the first one r1 is equal to minus 5 comma a 1 comma a 3 comma b. r2 relation 2 is equal to minus 5 comma b 1 comma b 3 comma a 4 comma c. r3 is equal to minus 5 comma a 1 comma a 3 comma b 4 comma c 1 comma b. Now we move to first sum. Very simple. Okay, first one. First to draw the picture representation is very simple and very important and very easy for you also. Okay, so first to draw a arrow diagram. Make a draw arrow diagram. So first, what is the arrow diagram? The first set is minus 5 1 3 4 and the opposite side the y set a b c. Now mapping to the or connecting to the elements. What is the r1? Minus 5 to a, so minus 5 to a. Next 1 to a and 3 to b, 3 to b. Is it a function or not? Verify it, check it. Very good. r1 is not a function because element 4, listen carefully, element 4 does not have an image in y. So இந்த rங்கிற ஒரு எலமெண்ட்டுக்கு yங்கிற செட்டில் இமேஜ் இல்லை. rங்கிற ஒரு எலமெண்ட்டுக்கு ஒய்யில் இமேஜ், அதாவது மேப்பிங் கனெக்டிங் இல்லாதனால இட் இஸ் நாட் அ ஃபங்க்ஷன். இந்த சியை பற்றி நீங்கள் கேர் பண்ண ஒயில் இருக்க எலமெண்ட் மேப்பிங் இல்லாமல் கூட இருக்கலாம்ப்பா. பட் எக்ஸ் இருக்க எல்லா எலமெண்ட்டுக்கும் அங்கே யூனிக் இமேஜ் இருக்கணும். பட் இங்கே 4ங்கிற எலமெண்ட்டுக்கு அங்கே இமேஜ் இல்லாதனால இட் இஸ் டஸ் நாட் ஹேவ் an image in y. So r1 is not a function. Okay, second one. r2 equal to minus 5 comma b 1 comma b 3 comma a 4 comma c. Now again you draw a arrow diagram because the picture representation is very easy to understand and answer the this question. Okay, so first to make a arrow diagram, x and y element, write the x and y elements, the R2 function, minus 5 to a, minus 5 to b, 1 to b, 3 to a, 4 to c. Understand very carefully. Listen. In x element, check the x elements, all the x elements having a unique image in y element. So minus 5 to b, 1 to b, 3 to a, 4 to c. So in all the x elements has a image in unique image in y set. So it is a function. So R2 is a function. ஸோ எக்ஸில் இருக்க எல்லா எலமெண்ட்டுக்கும் ஒயில் ஒரு யூனிக் இமேஜ் இருக்கிறதுனால இது வந்து ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன். ஸோ R2 இஸ் ஏ ஃபங்க்ஷன், R2 இஸ் ஏ ஃபங்க்ஷன். ஸோ இந்த ரெண்டு சமையும் நல்லா கம்பேர் பண்ணி லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஸோ in example 1.8, the third subdivision, again R3 function or not. Okay, now draw a arrow diagram. What is x set and y set? Now mapping to connecting to the x to y. Minus 5 to a, 1 to a. Okay, next one, 3 to b, 4 to c, again 1 to b, again 1 to b. It is a function or not? Good. R3 is not a function. Why? Because the element 1 has two images. See, a and c. What is a function? In a x element having a unique image in y, that is only function. But in this sum, one has two images. So R3 is not a function. Okay, listen carefully. One has two images, 1 to a, 1 to b. So it is not a function. So write it. R3 is not a function because element 1 has two images. Okay, I think it's very simple for you. Write it down in your notebook. The next sum, example 1.9. The sum is given f of x is 2x minus x squared. So the formula is given for you. The formula is given for you. F of x equal 2x minus x squared. Find the first one, f of 1. F of 1, very simple pa. Replacing the x to 1 and the x எடுத்து அதுக்கு பதிலா 1 போட்டுட்டீங்கன்னா we get the answer. Second sum also given, third sum also given. First move to first one. Okay, f of 1, what is the answer of f of 1? So replacing the x to 1, x எடுத்து அங்க 1 போடுங்க. So what is the formula? F of x equal 2x minus x squared. So x க்கு பதிலா replace பண்ணிக்குவோம், 1 போட்டுக்குவோம். So 2 bracket 2 into 1 minus 1 square. 1 2s are 2, 1 squared means 1. 1 squared means 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. So f of 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Next one, f of x plus 1. What is the meaning of this one? Replacing x to x plus 1. x எடுத்துட்டு x plus 1 போட போகிறோம். ஸோ அவன் given formula, அந்த ஃபார்முலாவில் எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் x இருக்கோ அதை ரிமூவ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதுக்கு பதிலாக x plus 1 போடணும். ஓகே, ஸோ தட் மீன்ஸ் f of x plus 1 மீன்ஸ் replacing x to x plus 1. எக்ஸை ரிமூவ் பண்ணிவிட்டு x plus 1 போட போகிறோம். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த ஃபார்முலா இஸ் f of x 2x minus x squared. ஸோ xக்கு பதிலாக x plus 1 minus இந்த xக்கு பதிலாக x plus 1 the whole square. ஸோ 2 உள்ளார கொண்டு போயிடலாம். ஸோ 2 into x 2x, 1 2s are 2 minus this formula is a plus b whole squared formula. Okay, so a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Here a means x, b means 1. So a squared means x squared plus 2ab means 2ab. So 2x plus 1 squared means 1. Okay, so move to the minus inside the bracket. So 2x plus 2 minus x squared minus 2x minus 1, because multiplying the minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, plus into minus minus. Okay, move to the minus 2 inside the bracket. Okay, இந்த மைனஸை உள்ளார கொண்டு போயிட்டீங்கன்னா எல்லா எலமெண்ட்டும் சிம்பிள் சேஞ்ச் ஆயிரும். ப்ளஸ்ஸாக இருந்தால் மைனஸாக மாயிரும், மைனஸ் இருந்தால் ப்ளஸ்ஸாக கன்வெர்ட் ஆகிக்கும். நவ் plus 2x and minus 2x would be cancelled because 0. So the answer is a minus x squared plus 2 minus 1. ரெண்டுல 1 போச்சுன்னா 1, because bigger number is plus. So plus 1. The answer is minus x squared plus 1. Minus x squared plus 1. Third sum, f of x plus f of 1. What is f of x? Already formula, same formula. F of x means 2x minus x squared. So f of x means 2x minus x squared plus f of 1 means already we'll find out the answer also, that means 1. So put the plus 1. F of x means formula and write the f of 1 answer 1. So 2x minus x squared plus 1. Suppose replace the answer also. Very simple, because first one is quadratic equation minus x squared plus 2x plus 1. So both answers are correct one. So it's a very important sum for you. So the 4 example sums are very important, and copy it on a note and doing a homework note also.